Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you how you can easily increase text size on your Facebook Messenger app. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all open up the settings of your phone and then you'll have to scroll down until you will find an option of accessibility. You'll have to tap on it. Now once you're on this page you'll have to scroll down a bit until you find an option of per app settings on the bottom. Tap on it and then tap on add apps. Now on this section you can customize settings for any individual app. Now I'll simply search for Messenger. Tap on it. Now click on Messenger, and right on the top you'll be able to find a option of larger text. There's a second option just below, bold text. You'll have to click on it and you'll be able to find a slider that you can move according to your need and then go back and it will be changed. So that's how you can easily change font size on Messenger. That's quite simple. That was quite simple. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.